Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing the first poem of your Flamingo book, and the name of poem is My Mother at 66. In previous video, I told you about the summary of this poem. Dear students, today I will teach you line by line. I will tell you the explanation of this poem line by line. On that day in previous video, dear students, I told you that this particular poem, My Mother at 66, has been written by one of the renowned poetess, or her name is Kamala Das, who is famous for her versatility, originality, and her poems are full of indigenous flavor of soil. Dear students, and one important question also I told you I have discussed, that is given just beginning in the beginning of poem, and today I am going to teach you line by line, dear students. The meaning of difficult words are written here. The difficult words are beside, by the side of, doze, sleep lightly, as in pale or Eloise, corpse, dead body, sprinting, running fast, merry, happy, spilling out, tumbling out, van, colorless. So these are the difficult words we will see while explanation. So first I am going to read this poem. कि driving from my parents' home to Cochin airport last Friday, beside me, doors open, mouth, her face ashen like that of corpse, realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, and soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. But after airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her van, pale, as late as winter's moon, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood fear. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. So these are the lines given in the poem. Dear students, I have told you that this particular poem the poetess Kamala Das has written about her own mother. This is an autobiographical poem. Or poet says here in the poem कि last Friday she started her journey from her home to Cochin airport, as she loved her mother very much, so she wanted to take her mother with her, or she wanted to spend some more time with her mother. For that she decided to take her mother with her. Or here writer is driving, poetess Kamala Das is driving the car, or her mother is sitting beside her. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin airport last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. The writer, while driving the car, she decided to see the face of her mother who was sitting by the side of her. She decided to observe the physical condition of her mother. She decided to look and observe the face of her mother. What she found? She found that she was dozing. She was sleeping lightly. Her mother who was sitting beside her, she was sleeping lightly. The first thing which was pointed out by the poetess Kamala Das. Or second, her open mouth. Her mouth was opened. Means she was not active. She was not in position to close her mouth properly. It was due to that old age. It was due to that her mother was very old. The second thing that was pointed out. Our next dear student, the third thing, कि her face as in how her face looking, her face was as in as pale as Eloise as. Here dear students, or that of a corpse. कि as here simile poetic device has been used. कि how her face was Eloise, colorless as dead body. As after death the color of body changed and there is no glow and no shining. In the same way, the poetess mother who was sitting beside her, her face was looking in the same way. Dear students, and so these three symptoms were pointed out by the writer, observed by the writer. Oh, these were the symptoms which were leading to death or realized with pain. After seeing all these things, the poet was very much sad. The poet was very much emotional. After understanding, after realizing these things, and after observing these symptoms on the face of her mother, on the basis of that physical appearance, she concluded in her mind and see that her mother is very near to death. Either it was dozing, or it was open mouthed, or it was colorless face. Realized with pain. After seeing and after understanding, she became very sad. And that she was as old as, here is given, and put that thought away. The writer who was very much sad and she understood that her mother was going to die, to that thought of death, she thought away. What was the thought? Which thoughts she put away? The thought of death. That she is about to die. Here is given. that she was as old as she looked, soon put that thought away. Thought of death, thought of separation, she put away and looked outside. The poetess decided, she forgot that thing. She decided to forget about the thought of death, the thought of separation, because she was knowing very well that thought and that idea will make her sad. So she put that thought away. And what she did, she looked outside. She decided to look outside, dear students. And what she what was outside? Are young trees sprinting. The young trees were, here personification poetic device, the young trees sprinting, they were running fast. And second thing, what was observed by the poetess Kamala Das in outside scenario, and merry children were spilling out, merry children were tumbling out, coming out from their homes. So two contrast situation, two contrast scenario. Inside the car there was a definitely sadness, there was a past, there was a picture which was leading to death. Or outside of the car the poetess observed that there was a happiness, there was a future, there was a life. Or she, in both the pictures, she decided to choose the outside scene, not the scene which was inside the car, because she was knowing that the inside scene will make her upset. So she decided to look outside, dear students. Or she indulged herself, she engaged herself in outdoor activities, in observing the running trees, observing the happy children, because there was a hope, there was a life, there was a future, there was happiness. Or finally, dear students, her car reached, here is given, but after the security check, or finally her car reached to the airport, and after security checked, after all the formalities, dear students, is standing a few yards away. The writer was standing at few yards away, few distance from that car. Or she decided to look her mother again. I looked again at her. I means the poetess Kamala Das. Poetess Kamala Das decided to look her mother again. Or when pale, how this time mother's face was looking like? It was looking colorless Eloise. Or how colorless Eloise? As late winter's moon, again simile poetic device, कि as in winter season, after collecting the fog all around, the moon looks dim, in the same way her mother's face was looking like. Or here dear students, I want to tell you that winter here represents the old age. What I want to tell you is that winter is a symbol of old age. So poet has made this comparison. or writer, and felt that old familiar ache. Writer was realizing that old pain, that old fear, her childhood fear, in that she was very much frightened from her childhood that her mother will leave her, or it was in most powerful situation, or that childhood fear this time trying to frighten the writer, frighten the poet Kamala Das. But this time the writer was unable to defend, because the fear was in its most powerful position. So finally, though that fear was, that familiar pain, that familiar childhood fear was running in her mind. My childhood fear. But all I said was, but the writer decided to conceal her feeling. The writer concealed her all emotions and all feelings. She did not want to express her sadness in front of her mother. Or she wanted to tell her mother that she is not going to die. Dear students, or what she said, she went near the car and she said, "See you soon, Amma." This statement, with this statement, by this statement, writer wants to say her mother, wants to tell her mother that she is not going to die. Or she said this statement with a smile. I did was smile and smile and smile. Refrain poetic device. Smile word has been repeated many times. Or here smile is the symbol of happiness. So she wanted to tell her mother that she will be alive till her return. She is not going to die very soon. With this positive feeling, she wanted to leave her mother. With this positive words, she wanted to leave. So this is all about this poem, dear students. If you have any problem, you may ask. Come on, about the question answer. Here the question is given ki what is the kind of pain and ache that poet, here is given that poet feels. The pain was, here is given, the poet's mother is old and sickly.